Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Today we're looking at 3 reasons why renting is better than buying. The first, your rent is fixed for the duration of your lease. Whether it's 6 or 12 months, you essentially pay the same amount. The second is it's more flexible. So if you know that your work situation requires you to travel quite a bit, getting into a lease might be better than buying because you're able to move around as freely as you'd like. And lastly, you're not responsible for the maintenance costs of that property unless, of course, you break something. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.